Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I made any videos and I just felt like today might be a good day to come in here and make a quick review on the braid that I have on my head. I just had my hair done a few days ago. I did it myself. Took me 2 days as usual, but I could easily have just gone into 3 days, but the reason why I didn't was because I had to work the next day. The hair I used again is the Outre Cuevana, and I used the 18 inches, and this is my first Outre Cuevana for the year. I have been experimenting with other hair textures just to see if I like it or if it's very similar to the Outre Cuevana. The last hair I used was very similar, very close range in terms of lightness and feel. It felt very natural. It felt a lot like my hair. It had a bit more movement than the Outre Cuevana does. That's just my biggest con with this hair. It's the movement. Ouch. That felt good. But the biggest con with this hair is the movement. It doesn't move a lot. It gets really pretty matted at the tip. Alright, I'm just gonna jump straight to the point and give the basics, I suppose. I used the 18 inches Outre Cuevana twist braid and it cost me $3.75 a pack. I heard it's about $4 now, which sucks, but it's really good hair. I used 5 packs of hair. That's a lot. Normally I use 2.5 to 3 packs of hair when I do my other braids, but for this one, because I made it a bit longer, I had to use more hair, so I used 5 packs. But the good thing is it's not heavy. It's pretty lightweight, which I really like, and I will show you in a little bit how the hair looks. Right now I'm just going to show you the length. I think I got better with braiding my hair because it's a lot fuller this time, and I think this is one of the best braids I've done. Like, I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like. This is how long it is. It hurts a little bit, but that's because you know what, I neglected my hair before I started braiding. I had washed my hair and put it in like thick chunky twist, and I left it like for about 2-3 days without touching it or paying attention to it. So by the time I was ready to braid, it became a lot of work. So that's why my scalp is a bit sensitive right now, but I feel like in 2-3 days it should be perfectly fine. But anyways, this is the hair at the front, and I'm gonna put everything to the back right now so you guys can see how full it is. Pretty nice, huh? But yeah, this is my hair. I love it. I am so happy with the results of this hair. I think it looks incredibly full. It's so lightweight. I can't stress the importance of lightweight hair. It's really important for braids to be lightweight. Doing my hair by myself all these years have helped me with weeding out the hair that I don't need in my life and the ones that are worthy of the $4 per pack. Cuevana is one of those hair that I would gladly pay $4 or even $5. Maybe it shouldn't go over $5 because then it's just really expensive. I did not use the whole 18 inches. It would have been a little longer than this. What I did is I just kind of cut it right here, and then I brushed it out as usual, and that's about it. When I was done, I dipped the ends in hot water, but I actually think I might dip it again. I don't know. I might dip it again. I'm not really sure. We'll see. I'm still having mixed feelings about the ends right now, to be honest. But one thing I know for sure is that I'm in love with this hair. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and hopefully edit this video in time. The last one I still haven't posted as of making this video because life has just been, well, it's been busy. You know, this year has been very busy. There's been a lot of challenges, there's been a lot of changes, and I'm just trying to keep up with everything happening in my life. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. I will see you guys again in about 1 month, maybe.